We're gonna miss it, boy.
Yeah, whatever. Golly, look at yonder. Let's take a walk.
Where's to, Dale?
Over there. You don't have to come along, Angel May.
You don't have to go, remember?
No, we ain't gonna do anything. We're just going to the street light and back. Well, like, coming?
What are you going to do?
We're gonna peek through our window with the blue shutter so we can see who rallies. You don't have to come with us if you want. You can go home.
What in the Assembly Hill did you wait till tonight?
Cause no one will see us and Atticus wouldn't hear us. And if Boo Rally kills us, we'll miss school instead of vacation.
Jem, please.
Scout, for the last time, shut your trap or go home. You're acting more like a girl every day.
Fine.
Duh.
Scout, get up. Scout, hold it for me.
Go. Come on, let's go. Don't get in a colored patch. You'll wake the living dead. Spit on it. You gotta sit up box.
You gotta sit in a box for you getting out of here so easy.
Sit on it, Scout. Smatter. Chicken. Give your lips. Wait up, though.
What do you see?
Nothing, just curtains. There's a little light somewhere though. Let's try the back. Let's try the back. You guys, let's try this. Let's try this.
I don't know, let's go back!
We better get heading down. They think it's funny if we don't show up.
What happened?
Mr. Riley shot at a nigger in the collar patch.
Oh, did he hit him?
No, shot in the air, scared him pale though. Says if anyone sees a white nigger around, that's the one. Says he's got the other barrel waiting for the next thing he hears in that patch. The next time he won't aim as high. Be it a dog, a nigger, or Jim Finch! Yes, ma'am? What's your pants, son? But his? Pants. Pads. What is it, Bill?
I won them from him.
Won them? How?
We were playing strip poker by the fish pool.
Don't Jesus, Bill Harris! Gambling at my fish pool? I'll strip poker you, sir! Miss Rachel, calm down. They couldn't all be playing fish poker. Were you all playing cards? No sir, just with matches. Jim, Scout, I don't ever want to hear poker from you again. You, go to Dill's place and get your pants. Jim, settle this yourself. Yes, sir?
Come on, guys.
She ain't gonna kill ya. He'll talk her out of it. Y'all right, you hear?
You asleep, little three eyes?
Are you crazy?
Atticus lights out. I'm gonna go after him.
You can't. I won't let you.
I have to.
You do it and I'll look out for Atticus.
You do it, I'll kill you.
Mr. Nathan's gonna find him in the morning. He knows you lost him. When he shows it to Atticus, it'll be pretty bad. That's all there is to it. Going back to bed.
I know. That's why I have to go get them.
Look, it ain't worth it, Jem. A licking hurts, but it doesn't last. You get your head shot off. Jem, please.
It's like this, guy. I've never been whipped since I can remember. I want to keep it that way.
You mean he's never caught you up at anything?
Yeah, maybe so. But I want to keep it that way, Scout. We shouldn't have done what we done tonight.
Can't you just think about it? You by yourself alone on that place.
Shut up!
It's not like he'd never speak to you or anything. I'm gonna wake him up, Jim. I swear I am. Then I'm going with you.
No, you ain't. You'll just make noise.
Dim the light, dim the light, dim the light.
Go on, go on. I can still see her. Oh, did he hit him? Nope. Shot in the air and scared him pale, though. Says if anybody sees a white nigger around, that's the one. Says he's got the other barrel waiting for the next thing he hears in that patch, be it a dog, a nigger, or... What the hell? Oh, hello? ¿Qué quieres? Te estoy filmando. Déjamela. Okay, ciao. That's gonna hurt, you know. Action. Are you ready? Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Okay. Down. Okay. I'm not working with you guys anymore. Okay, can I like stop now? Yeah.